आकाश में रंग बिरंगे प्यारे, क्यों गुलहल होता सुख एकदम लाल, क्यों झिलमिल करता मकड़ी का जाल, क्यों 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 क्यों।
Hello everyone, I Rishan on behalf of students of Maxford School, Paschim Vihar, welcome you all to the virtual celebration of National Science Day. We celebrate the National Science Day on 28th February every year. We celebrate this day to widely spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of the people. Now, students of grade 3 and 4 would tell you the importance of science and contribution of scientists.
Hello to all of you. I am Agamjot Singh, studying in Maxford School, Paschim Vihar, in class 3rd. Today I would like to share a few things about the importance of science in our day-to-day life. Let us start with the word science itself. How did it come into use and what does it mean? The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. We are in the era of science. Science is very useful for us. Science is based on curiosity and why. Science is a great blessing to mankind. Our daily life would have been quite different without the power of science. So many different things we do use daily are inventions by science only. Can you imagine the life without computers, mobile phones, cars, aeroplanes, etc.? Let us glance through the importance of science. Science has gifted very useful machines and gadgets that have made our life very simple, fast and easy. In the field of transport, science has gifted buses, trains, cars, aeroplanes. We can travel hundreds of miles within a few hours. Scientists even reached to the moon and other planets also. All the electrical appliances like a microwave oven, juicer, mixer, grinder, washing machine, fan, cooler, AC, lights, television, printer, refrigerator, Wi-Fi and so many other equipments have made our life more comfortable. We use LPG gas stoves for cooking. With kitchen appliances, not only we can cook food fast, but also we can save food from getting wasted by refrigerating it. These all are the inventions of science only. In communication, science invented the great invention that is the internet. The internet also helped us in the communicating. Science has made the world very small. We can communicate to anyone, anywhere in the world and in space in a matter of seconds with telephone, mobile phones, computers and laptops very easily by sending messages like text, voice, photos, videos, geolocations and documents over emails, mobile phones, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, Google, Facebook, etc. In education, science has made important contributions in the education field as well. Science has given us vast knowledge and therefore we have got important matters to study. Science along with technology has made education itself easier. It provides us options like online classes, e-books, e-libraries, e-paper over mobile phone, tablet, computers, laptops with online meeting, apps like Google, Zoom, etc. This really helped a lot in pandemic. In medicine, the medical field is based entirely on usage of science, the invention of machines like X-ray, CT, MRI, ECG, machines to check various other tests has made our life a lot easier in diagnosing the disease. Medical science is saving millions of lives daily and even during the pandemic also. Invention of vaccinations for COVID is the latest example in medical science. All the drugs are given by chemistry science only. We use soaps, shampoos, sanitizers and other cleaning products that are also given by science. Today we cannot expect our life without science revolving around it every single second. Almost everything that we see around us is a gift of science.
Hello everyone, I am Rudransh Mohanty from 3rd B. Today on this occasion of National Science Day, I will be speaking about India's great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. Dr. Abdul Kalam needs no introduction. He was born on 15 October 1931. He was an eminent aerospace scientist and politician. He was born in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu in a Muslim family. He was youngest of all 4 brothers and a sister in his family. His father was a boat owner and imam in a local mosque. His mother was a housewife. They were poor and he sold newspapers to supplement family income. He had average grades in school but was bright and hardworking. He studied physics and aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology and joined Aeronautical Development Establishment of Defense Research Development Organization. In 1969, he was transferred to Indian Space Research Organization. He was project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle. He spent nearly 4 decades as a scientist. His research and leadership brought him great laurels and prestige. An advanced missile program was launched under him. He played a major part in developing many missiles, including Agni and Prithvi. Thus, he was known as Missile Man of India. He was Chief Scientific Advisor to Prime Minister and Secretary of DRDO from 1992 to 1999. He played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1999. He was elected as 11th President of India in 2002 with support of both ruling BJP and opposition INC. Widely known as People's President, he returned to civil life of education, writing and public service after single term. He was recipient of many India's prestigious awards, including Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. While delivering a lecture in IIM Shillong, he suffered from a heart attack and India lost its greatest scientist forever.
Hello everyone, I am Parth Goyal. I am studying class 3rd B, Maxford School, Paschim Vihar. Today we will understand the force of gravity. Gravity is the force of attraction by Earth on a body. As you can see, I have a ball in my hand. If I throw it up in the air, it will fall back to the ground. But do you know why it falls back to the ground? It is because of the gravitational force which pulls everything towards the earth. Hope you understood what is gravitational force. Thank you.
Benjamin Franklin was an American scientist. One of his greatest contributions was in the theory of electricity. He invented the lightning rod, bifocals, fins for swimming, Franklin's stove, and the glass harmonica. He discovered that the lightning is a form of electricity which can be produced and used safely. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, friends, for sharing your thoughts. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create the dreams. So without wasting time, let's move on with the dance performance of our Maxfortians of grade 6 and 7.
Creative is not a hobby, it's a way of life. Craft is a part of the creative process. Now our Maxfortians will show you how creative and talented they are.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ। पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।